Here is DIPPY AI app. So this is the app. That's what it is. DIPPY Role Play AI Friend Chat from Impel Intelligence. So this is the app. So yeah, they have iOS and Android apps. Create, chat, and share characters. Chat with your AI friends. Discover new characters. Create and share your own. Chat that feels alive. Customizable widgets. So this is one of the hundreds AI characters apps, but it also has pretty cool widgets, and they claim to have pretty cool chat and nice model, AI model, which is used for messages. And this app recently is getting some traction. However, it's not yet in the top charts, but let's take a look. So here it is. You can just tap get started. You can basically toggle the extension on and allow all websites. So basically these are extensions. You can just allow extensions, allow all websites. So let's just take a look. DP extension lets your friends see what you're doing on your phone so they can learn more about you. And then you can also add the widget. Then you can also and then you can just create a username. And then you just create your account like that. Anyhow, I don't know how safe is this app, so I'm just showing you around. And then enter. So then you also give house notifications, and then that's basically what it is. And then yeah, you have then you can just start chatting. So this is how it looks like. This is how the design looks like in this app, as you can see. And then you can view memories, unpin, clear chat. And that's what it is. If you want to discover that, then you need to upgrade. So that's $100 per year, or monthly $10. Then you also have no ads, you have enhanced model, you have memory, color themes, app icons, priority support. So that's the idea basically. And then you have profile. You can also then go and create your own character. And then here is your account. You can go on here and delete account in the top. To change chat model, to unlock advanced models, obviously you need to upgrade. So yeah, that's the app. Pretty cool minimalistic design. It's a bit different from Chai app or character or Talkie AI. So that's what it is. Then you can also see some rewards. So this app is still super early. So you can go in here and at least reserve your unique username, and then you just browse around like that. And then there's like a discover feed. So this is how the feed looks like. Then you can just tap pick for me. So yep, that's the app. So go give it a try.